Hey guys, wanted to make a quick video. I have a 1998 K1500 Silverado. I think this goes for all 95 through 98 K1500s, Tahoes, and Yukons. The issue was riding at interstate or highway speeds, say around anywhere from 50 to 80 miles an hour. Your truck would just run real bad, real rich. It would lose RPMs real fast, hesitate, sputter, backfire even. If any of y'all had this problem and you're not getting a check engine light like I was, try your crankshaft position sensor. That's what fixed mine. Like I said, I had no check engine lights. I know a basic tune-up could fix the problem as well. You know, new spark plugs and wires, fuel filter. But if you know that all your stuff is working, like your fuel pump is working, throttle position sensor, all that stuff is working fine through maybe a OBD2 live scan. If you've tried everything and you haven't tried this, I would recommend definitely go try this crankshaft position sensor. It's $60 to $70 with lifetime warranty at your local auto parts store. Thanks guys.